Today is 1st of March 2019. Market trade an narrow range bar, up 7 points to close at 3220 with below average volume. This happened after yesterday's severe sell down, and however, this is not unexpected considering the day before we have a topping tail. Now, if we actually take a look over here itself, market actually managed to actually take out this high here, which was made in October last year, and this too by itself is indications of weakness. If you notice, actually it trades small body with tail, so there's indications of uncertainty, and over here itself was an obvious sign that market is going to correct, and this is what we are experiencing right now. Support will be at this level about 3,200, and this recent high here of 3,286, 3,285 will be the resistance going forward. Now this level also happens to coincide with the 200 days moving average. If you notice, we managed to actually clear the 200 average, moving average, and right now the pullback actually tested this 200 day. So going forward, we're going to see whether there's a bounce from here. Now we also see that actually most of the blue chip has gone through some kind of corrections, and bank in particular experienced quite severe corrections. And some of the other stocks that have run out are also experiencing fatigue, so we got to just have to be careful. Now if we take a look at the S&P 500, since late December itself, market has been rallying, and it managed to clear the 40 weeks or the 200 days moving average, and this is the first bear bar we experienced in recent months. However, of course, today is Friday, we still got one more session for the US market. Currently the futures is actually trading positive. Now this level here also coincides with this resistance here. It's quite significant. Now if it pull back from here, the 200 days or the 40 weeks may provide some kind of support. I'd like to see how it actually turn out over here. If the pullback is shallow, that will be positive, and it may actually break on the upside after the pullback. Whatever the case may be, I think it's important to monitor very closely, because market doesn't really run in one line, so we may experience pullback over the next few weeks. Now today HCI was actually driven by some of the big cap stock like Ventures and Hong Kong Land, so it's not broad based. Now Venture happens to be the best performing stocks today. If you notice over here, we have a contraction breakout. Alright, we slightly increased volume, so if you have missed the trade, look for pullback. Now we also have to be careful that we are approaching some obvious resistance over here. Manufacturing stocks seem to be still holding well. This is high P, very nice run ups, a 40% run in 4 days, and at this resistance it has been pulled back. However, the pullback was shallow, and it was just holding well. We'd like to see how it actually turn out. If we can close out the daylight, that will be generally positive, and eventually like to see it take out the high of 143. We also see impressive move from Mentec. Very nice move here, and followed by a pullback, and again this coincides with this resistance. So here we have a small deeper setup. Look for a break above the high of 107. AEM trending very nicely. Like to see a break above this high here of 115. Thai beverage appears to be holding well, and it's worth watching. After the gap up, stocks actually was trading sideways, which is perfectly normal. If you notice, this level here has been tested on several occasions, but refused to actually close at that level. So we'd like to see the stock eventually take out this high here of 82 cents. Notice during the sideways move, volume actually dried up, so that's a healthy sign.